There you go, guys. Second snow of the year, or third?
Third. And
So, is it going to stop us?
nope, we are going to be working outside in the snow all winter. Jay hasn't really accepted it yet, but and I haven't either.
But we got warm clothes, right?
Yep.
So.
I'm just going to be walking around in every video like the kid from Christmas Story.
Yeah. I can't put my arms down. So, guys, we're going to work on the solar array today. Right now, we have the cabin running on the Jackery Home Power 3600 Plus and an expansion battery, so we can unplug our solar and unhook our primary system here shortly. I mean, it's already unhooked, but we can start disassembling it. So Jed's going to go feed her Tweety birds. Things are getting pretty messy, gross, and sloppy around here. So I'm going to tell you about today's sponsor, 3W. We've had their floor mats for the last couple months, and they've really saved my new truck. We made a huge investment in this new Ford truck, so we have a good, reliable vehicle to have for the next 10 to 20 years and keep working here around our property. The 3W floor mats are 3D laser measured, so they fit perfectly. The edges tuck in real nice and protect the truck. They avoid us having those dirt trapping gaps. We protect our edges. We can clean these in just a few minutes. The 3W mats have saved me tons of time. I just rinse them off, shake them, and reinstall them. So the 3W floor mats are made with their exclusive Thorax material, and they use Vigor Mold technology. This makes them hold up and be durable for years to come. Whether we bend them, fold them, run them over with the truck, or put them through a ton of abuse, they'll hold up and protect our vehicle for a long time. 3W floor mats makes mats to protect lots of different vehicles, like the Ford F-150, F-250, and the F-350 like this. They also have floor mats for a variety of MPVs, SUVs, and other trucks as well. So guys, Black Friday is coming up. Check out the links in the description box below in the first pinned comment to save 35% on some 3W floor mats of your own if you visit their site, or you can save $55 if you buy them off the Amazon site. Both links are below in the description box. Don't miss out on the best deals of the year. So guys, I've been contemplating and trying to figure out the best way to do this array. I'm done thinking. I'm just going to do. All right, guys, I'm staring at this, and I think I just made the final decision. If I make this one big array on top and one big array on the bottom, 2 strings of 9, that way, I'm going to have to pull up all these panels and reconfigure the wires from that side to over here. And that's going to make a lot of extensions. If I make it an east and west, like right and left array, my wires are going to be right here at the corner of the bunker from this 12 panels, and then they're going to be from this new 6 panels in the perfect spot. So I think that made my decision. That makes the wires not have to go so far. The wires are basically, we're going to have 12 panels here in one big array. It's going to come over and around, over by the solar shed and then around. We're going to use all the wires from the panels. So that's going to make this job pretty easy. Nice. That's exactly what I did not want to happen.
Pull this down?
Take that down, yep. And just take it back down there on the grass.
Okay.
Up into the yard.
Here you are. It's right behind you on the Renogy.
Okay, here. No more solar panels going to the solar shed. So it's no longer a solar shed. There's no solar panels, right? All right, so here's my two negatives that were going from this end of the array, from the top array and bottom array. They were going all the way over here to those breakers. The positives were already on this side. So now I think I could leave the bottom row like this. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll flip the bottom row and we could leave the top row, because these are already daisy chained together. But like I said, the problem is you get one out on this side, in this case the negatives, and then in this case we got the positives over here. So I want to make them one big loop. I think the easiest way to do this is try to leave the top panels up there and then just flip the bottom ones. I have the junctions down the bottom here and down at the bottom there. So if I just flip these panels, I could hook the negative to that positive and daisy chain these together. That'll be quick and easy. It'll just take an extra 15 minutes if I can get it done. Put up.
Okay. So you just have to flip them all?
Yep. All right, guys, that wasn't so bad, huh?
No.
So now we got 10 here. We'll have 8 more there. A 10 array and an 8 array. These 10 should be 400 volts. Nothing to mess around with. And we have a positive and a negative here now. Stick it out. So all we have to do is run these 10 down into the bunker for one array. And then we'll do a loop that way and have them come down right here as well. So it should be pretty easy. We just have to mark them so we know which is which.
You got colored tape, so you'll be able to make it work.
Yep.
So do you need like a drill so you can drill a hole right here?
I gotta figure out where we're doing it, yeah.
Okay.
The world's gone crazy, guys. You see that? You probably can't see it. A seagull just flew over. A seagull.
In the woods. Like, you can see them in the parking lots.
Yeah, in town. But why are we out? Why is that seagull? Seagull must have forgot he's not an eagle. He forgot he's a seagull. Do seagulls migrate at all?
I don't know.
I know some don't. I mean, there's always seagulls here by the Great Lakes, but maybe they migrate.
I don't know. That'd be something.
You guys know? Tell us in the comment section below. Do seagulls migrate? All right, let's carry on. Can you hold that up for a minute?
A little tight?
Yeah. Are you holding it?
Yeah.
You guys still with us? This is not taking that long. This is going pretty smooth, knock on wood.
Yeah, it's the best piece of wood you can knock on.
So
you get this one up and then you gotta frame it in. You gotta cut a hole in the roof. Figure out how you're gonna do that.
I have a gap right here to figure that out.
Okay.
All right, guys. We drilled a hole down into the bunker through the piece of wood. We drilled a hole here that was too big. I don't always have the right tools, so I messed that up. I'm gonna have to plug that with something, I guess. But we got a new hole here. We drilled a smaller hole. Like I said, I used the wrong hole saw for what we're doing. Here's the new hole. We're gonna run the PV, the 4 PV wires down through here, and then to the bunker. Here's the wires we had before. These are plenty long enough.
Just one wire?
Yep, just one for now. Feed that into the bunker.
Through this?
Through that elbow that's sticking out.
Yep. So this elbow's going to stick down just like the other one, right?
I don't know what it's going to do. I just want it into the bunker right now.
Okay. Well, I'm going to turn it up just because it'll make it easy for me to...
Yes, that's what I was hoping you would do.
The
Whatever
wire
makes
in.
it easy. I'm getting this array. Those 2 wires we just ran into the bunker are for this array. I got this is the green array. This is green array positive. Green array positive. This is on the wire down in the bunker as well, so I know which every wire is. Green array positive. Green array negative. Should be black, I guess, for negative, but green is green array negative. This 10 array is going down in the bunker, all ready to get hooked into a breaker or disconnect, and then into the Sun Gold inverter charger. So I can slide this panel over and start working on the next one. Yep, I got the top, so you just slide up the bottom.
Oh, my phone's going off. Look at this!
Can you hand me that cord that I just dropped? The one with the red white on it?
Yep. So then, if these are all connected, all you have to do is connect it to the inverter and the battery in there could start being charged.
Yes, ma'am.
Even though there's no sun?
Yep.
Well, that's good. It's a pretty big solar array we got here. I'm pretty excited. Gotta have a big solar array for all the power we're gonna have inside the bunker.
We're in. Woohoo! Got 4 wires, positive and negative for 2 different arrays into the bunker. Success. I keep thinking this takes like an hour each time, but I look at the camera, it's only been like 13 minutes, 10 minutes, 17 minutes, so I guess we're doing okay. All right, moment of truth. Pushing it all together. Hopefully I did everything right. Another one more, or is that it?
Now it's got a couple inches still. There you go. Whoa.
Another inch.
Yeah, just like another inch. There we go.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
Whew.
Monster solar array completed.
Now we just got to put a couple boards in to pin it in.
Okay.
We'll do that tomorrow. It's not going anywhere. Holy cannoli. 10 panel array and an 8 panel array.
18 solar panels. What do you think, guys? Is that insane?
295 watts each. 5,400, 53 something, I'm sure.
53.
25,328, something like that. Whatever 18 times 5 is.
90.
So what? 5,310? 18 times
Yes.
2.
5,310.
So 295 times 18.
It's a lot of wattage, baby.
You guys thought I'd never move these bags of pea gravel, didn't you? Be honest.